Welcome to the pre-session of this freelancing training. In this video, I'll be briefing you shortly what this training is all about and what you stand to gain as a participant. But before we ride on, my name is Sadan. I'm an all-time freelancer, a business enthusiast, and of course, a coach. So I will be your instructor or a coach throughout this freelancing training. So I know you might be asking what freelancing is all about. A good number of you are quite familiar with it, but I know there are still so many of you who have never even heard the word before, and some who have heard the word but does not really know what it means. So freelancing is all about offering services remotely and getting paid for it. What makes freelancing interesting is that it's something you can do anywhere you are at all, provided you have internet access. And then of course, what I'm about to show you is also compatible with your smartphone. What does that mean? It means it's something that you can do with your smartphone. But if you have a computer system, well, that is an added advantage. But the bottom line is that it's something you can do with your smartphone. So there is what is called freelancing marketplace, and that is where jobs, orders are being placed or are being offered to freelancers. Do you understand? That is where clients come to look for freelancers, and most of the popular freelancing marketplaces we have are Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour. Although we have numerous, great number of them out there that are not even popular, but the ones that is popular so far is either Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. In the essence that if you ask so many freelancers, what freelancing platform they recommend, the first thing that comes to their mind is either Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. But the problem is that these freelancing marketplaces are saturated already. When you talk of Fiverr, Upwork, they are saturated. What that means is this: it is possible for you to open account, create gig, go through the stress of creating gig, and in the next 1 year, so you might not even get any order. Yes, and I know there are so many of you who has passed through this particular stage that I'm explaining now, who is currently watching this video. You will agree with me that sometimes creating a gig is not the problem, but getting order is the problem. Why is it so? Because that place is saturated. We have a lot of workers, a lot of people offering services that there are no much available clients. As a result of that, a lot of workers are there who have never gotten orders. If you have the time to go through the platform, you will understand what I'm saying. So in this particular training, there is a secret freelancing marketplace that I've been using to make money all this while, and people really don't know much about it. This freelancing marketplace is so great that you don't need to start looking for orders. You know, when you talk of Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour, you have to start waiting for clients to bring you work, isn't it? But in this particular place, clients are waiting for you to pick their order. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Like, clients are so surplus that they are waiting for you to pick their order. Literally, I can't remember the last time I had a full night rest. No, I'm always working, and that pays off real quick. Let me walk you through my my account so that you will see with your eyes what I'm actually talking about. Now, here is one of my accounts. You can see it now, and on this particular account I have $357.40 spending, and in my available balance I have $139.81. And do you know what is more shocking? Wait, I'm coming. Let me walk you through my my last withdrawal so that you will see what I am actually about to introduce you to with your own eyes. Now look at it here. Look at it. Now today is August, sorry, today is September 4th, and I'm recording this video at exactly 8 a.m. All right, I'm recording this video at exactly 8 a.m. and this morning alone, look at how many money that I've received on this particular account. This morning, this is just 8 a.m. All right, that is not enough. Let me walk you through something real quick. Now, yesterday being third, you can see how much came in, and then what is even okay, this is fine. Let me show you something. My last withdrawal. Okay, yeah, this is my last withdrawal here, and on the 30th of August, let me show you the date. Look at it. On the 30th, all right, on the 30th of August, I withdrew $611.49, but 4 days before then, look at my withdrawal. 4 days before then, I withdrew $565.61, which means, okay, yeah, this is on the August 26th, and then August 30, that is just 3 days interval if you calculate it well. So then between August 26th and August 30, I was able to withdraw over $1,000. I mean, this is over 900,000 naira if you are a Nigerian. And for those of you who are watching from other African countries, of course, you should be able to know how to convert 611.49 and $565.60 into your local currency. Then you will be able to see how much I was able to withdraw within just 4 days. Just by taking orders, completing it, submitting it, picking another one, completing it, submitting it, and then keep the circle going like that. So this is how money entered my account. You can see it here, completed. You can see. And then if you now come to my orders, then you'll be able to see most of the orders that I've completed and the ones that I'm currently working on. These are the ones that I worked on overnight. This is $19.75, $27.50, $22.35, $20.22. I've completed all of this work. I'm just waiting for the approval and it will be added to my balance. Now, if you click on completed, for instance, you'll be able to see the orders that I've completed. Look at them now. And what is even more fun here is that I use artificial intelligence to complete all of these orders. Why? Because back in those days when I first started, I've been working with them for the past 2 years anyways. So back then when I started, there was nothing like artificial intelligence. I could not earn as fast as this. But just of recent, when artificial intelligence started making waves in the industry, so using artificial intelligence to complete my orders became so easier. All right, and that is exactly what this training is all about. So with the use of artificial intelligence, I was able to complete so many orders within a very short period of time. And then you wonder why I was able to make over $600 within just 4 days. In fact, 3 days precisely, because I actually cashed out the 4th day early in the morning, which means I was able to make such huge amount of money within just 3 days. And that is because I use artificial intelligence. And please don't get me wrong, I am hardworking too. So you can see how much I've made so far on this account, and this is because I am using artificial intelligence. Do you understand? Which exactly is one of the secrets I'll be revealing to you in this particular training. That is, if you are able to make it. Do you know why I said so? Because it is very obvious that I can't release this much secrets to you free of charge. Yes. If you want legitimate updates, legitimate information that racks you dollars upon dollars, month in, month out, without you spending money, because literally you are not paying any money or hiding your identity or any other external expenses aside the training fee, as the case may be. In fact, all of the tools and the AIs that I'll be showing you how to use are 100% free. So if I'm able to earn all of these things in just one account, mind you, I have up to 5 different accounts, which I may not be showing in this particular video. I don't want the video to be too long. So, and each of those accounts have money in them. The reason why I work on those accounts randomly is that I don't want any accounts to be idle. Otherwise, they will disable the account. So I work on all of these accounts randomly in order to keep them active. And then if I am able to make over $1,000 within this particular account in a very short period of time, what will stop you from making, at least $1,000 on monthly basis? Which is obviously what I make within a week. Now back to my account again. After withdrawing on the 30th of September, today is just 4th. Of course, I'm recording this early morning of 4th September. I already have over $400 plus the one that I just showed you earlier, which is still pending. Adding it to this now, that is over $500. So I made on this particular account within 4 days again over $500. Please tell me what will stop you from making yours too, as I will be coaching you and showing you everything just the way I'm doing. So the reality is that this training is not 100% free. Yeah, sure, you won't expect me to spend all of my time teaching you all of these things free of charge. But then even if I charge you up to 100,000 naira, you will agree with me that it's worth it. Teaching you how to make all of these things and even more within a very short period of time, continuously, not something you make once, twice, and then that's all. No, it's something you keep making as much as you want to keep working with them. Do you understand? If I charge you 100,000 naira, it's not bad, but then I'm not going to charge you that. So with a token of 10,000 naira, you'll be able to participate in my full-blown training, and of course, you will also be added to my mentorship group, where you will see others who are making it work real big too. But then if you are joining my training, I have a special offer for you, and the offer is that I'm not even going to charge you up to that amount. I'm not going to charge you up to 10,000 naira, but something far lesser. Do you understand? That is if you are in my class, if you are joining my training. But if otherwise, of course, you are paying the full 10,000 naira. This offer is specially available for people taking my class. Yeah, the offer is this: you are not going to pay even up to that 10,000 naira. You are going to pay far lesser than that, and then it will only be revealed in the group, which means only people who are in the group will be able to grab this offer. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the group.